Bonane, 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 bonane. Hey guys, it's your girl Aida Soleil, and today we will be making soup Joumou with my mom. Yay! Okay, this is gonna be a less formal cooking tutorial. Don't mind me saving up the hair for it tonight, but it's gonna be a less formal cooking tutorial, more just vlog style. But I'll include all the ingredients in the description box below for you guys to make soup Joumou whenever you'd like. But of course, we drink it on the first. We love to share bowls with our, fellow Haitians, our friends who are interested in learning about our culture, and so much more. And I'll describe a little bit more later on as we go. Bye. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm just making a fresh batch of epice. If you don't know what epice is, I'm gonna link it right here for you guys so you can learn how to make epice step by step. It's super easy, but it is our traditional Haitian marinade. We use it on basically everything. Okay, so I'm gonna make that real quick, blend it up, and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here we have some stewed beef chunks that we've marinated overnight. They have epice, we have some garlic, we have some red bell peppers, some onions, and my mom likes to add mustard to her meat. It adds a nice flavor. Salt, pepper. Anything else, Mom?
Celery.
There's celery in here?
No, parsley. I meant to say parsley.
There's some parsley in here. Awesome. So yeah, right now we're gonna transfer the meat into this little casserole we have. I don't have a large casserole. I'm gonna get one this year, manifesting it. And yeah, stay tuned. So my mom's added some oil to the pan. So here we have some beef bones, my mom says, but you could use a beef shank or oxtail. You just really want some beef with bone in it, or if you're not using meat, you can use a meatier mushroom like a shiitake mushroom, any type of mushroom broth maybe to add to your soup. So we're just frying up some oil. We're gonna fry up some garlic and onion and add our meat and stew it up, and we're gonna add more epice. So we're just frying up some oil. My mom's being pretty light-handed because we're trying not to make too big of a batch, but we'll see. You not gonna put more onions? Later?
No, for later.
We're adding the beef. Are we adding more epice or not?
For what? For now. The meat is fine.
How long are we going to leave it covered, Mom?
Well, just for 10 minutes, then we can stir it. Okay. And then the other thing with this also is it's like medicine. You
If you fall.
you bucanil.
You grill it.
And then you took it and then you put it on where you saw or you fell. You put it on it and then you kind of like massage your skin or whatever you fall. N'importe qui côté dans bras, you know, and then you massage. Then you marinate.
Okay.
Perfect.
There's lots of seeds in this one too.
Yeah, it's different.